So I've been carrying this critical defense for about 4 months now, and you can see the bullet it's setting itself in the case a little bit. Can somebody tell me in the comments if this is going to cause a problem or not? The one that hasn't set itself in is measuring at about 1.087 inches. And yes, I'm measuring at the leading edge of the copper jacket. I'm not measuring by the rubber. To the back of the case, 1.0175 inches. So after doing the math, that was an overall length difference of 0.063 inches, I believe, and a difference of 6.3%. Now, I'm not trying to bash Hornady. I think they generally have pretty good products. But has anyone else experienced this? And if so, have you experienced this with other types of carry ammo? You know, I feel like Hornady should crimp that can lure. Bear in mind, I also don't cycle the ammo over and over again. I set the cartridge directly in the chamber and I lower the slide and extractor carefully over the cartridge and then push it into battery manually, just so that wouldn't happen. But, you know, you can see it's happening anyways. If you want to see more gun-related content, like and subscribe, maybe leave a comment.